everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you guys don't know who I am, my name is Geraldine and I make videos all about slow life, organization, and planner videos. So if that's your type of jam, go ahead and subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. Also click the notification bell so you do know when I do upload, and follow me on all my social media. I'm at Geraldine Selva. So today's video is going to be clean with me, organization. I want to take you guys with me through a cleaning like motivation vlog. The house is a mess and I really want to clean it. So we're gonna get started with cleaning the dishes and then sweeping the floors. I might just do like a little montage with like music like over it. Alrighty, let's go ahead and go wash those dishes.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headache stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need. What you need. We're broken, it's tragic. We're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic. Believe you could have it. And I know of sadness, the anxious and panic, the infinite vastness of all that is blackness. Bye.